So we are at the Heart of Art, counter number E44. Okay, with Ritika and Nitasha counter. So let's just see what actually they guys have done, and it is literally good. They had done so many works on different medium, some kind of abstract art, some kind of soft pastel painting. Okay, so why don't we go and ask them about the reality that what they have done. So hello ma'am, what actually, give me your introduction at least, so that
I'm Shruti Gupta. I'm an artist. I'm connected to nature, so I like to paint on nature mostly.
okay, so let's just move, what actually,
This is my work.
this is your work. Okay,
This is a soft pastel medium.
soft pastel medium. And on what sheet you have done this work?
A girl delving in the nature. ये मेरे पेंटिंग का टाइटल है. जैसे कि मैंने बताया कि मैं नेचर से ज़्यादा कनेक्टेड हूँ, तो मैंने इसको लड़की को फ्लावर्स के बीच में रिप्रेजेंट करने की कोशिश की हूँ कि जैसे कि
With some full of nature and blossoms, huh?
blossoms. I like gardening also.
Okay, and eyes are showing some curiosity over the
Yeah.
nature. Okay,
Calm
And,
and thinking full mind.
thinking full mind and peace.
It's a reference
obviously.
picture, but I like to create in my way.
Okay, so your creativity is over.
Yeah.
And even with the hand, she's holding the everything.
Yeah.
So it is like she don't wanted to get away from this thing.
Yeah,
Okay.
of course.
Okay.
I like to plantation also. I have more than 400 plants.
More than
So-
400 plants.
Yeah.
Okay, so you are even doing nursery at your home.
Yeah, yes, kind of.
Great work. And actually in this painting, what actually I like is the colorful innovation of
Yeah,
you.
I like colors.
So you put it over here,
Put it all colors, multiples.
multiple colors, huh? Different colors of the nature. Obviously the nature is full of
Yeah, full of
different
color.
full of colors, so you are presenting that. And
Combination of nature and color.
combination of nature and color. Okay, and
Thank
what
you.
next?
These three are my paintings.
These three are
This
also
is oil painting.
oil painting.
It's captured in Russia.
Russia.
And I try to create day and night combination.
Okay, and this is not a torn paint, it is painted
It's
over
painted,
here.
yeah.
Can I touch?
Yeah.
It is painted over here, so it seems so realistic. Okay.
तो जैसे मैंने बैक में नाइट को रिप्रेजेंट करने की कोशिश की है और फ्रंट में डे को, ताकि जैसे कि मैंने एक फ्रेम में पूरे थिंग्स को रिप्रेजेंट करने की कोशिश की है और इसमें मैंने ऐसे 3D लुक बनाया है कि वो अंदर से विजिबल हो रहा टायर मटेरियल, बट इस पेंटिंग वो फटा हुआ नहीं है एक्चुअली.
Okay, it is not torn. So it's a place in Russia. You can say that it's a photography as well as art.
मुझे
as well.
रियलिस्टिक वर्क्स ज़्यादा पसंद है.
Okay.
तो मैंने इसमें बहुत ही डिटेलिंग की है. सारे आप बिल्डिंग्स को देख सकते हो, लाइट
हाँ, minute detailing, even the window is there, the-
विंडो कार, इवन वन माइनर लाइटनिंग signs, everything.
Shadow and everything are completely proper, and even the car highlights are completely looking. It seems 3D actually. The car is like realistic cars over here. So great
I
work.
like realistic.
Even the pedestrian poster is there. That's good. So
This is still life.
it's a still life art on a medium,
Acrylic.
acrylic medium, and
canvas.
on canvas. Okay. So
I
let's
also
see.
like glass work. So I represent here glasses, bottles, and fruit, jute.
So still life
Yeah,
art.
all objects mixed. This is reference from Pinterest.
Pinterest reference. Okay. But it is
But I try to create in detailings.
okay. Okay. Your creativity is also involved in this. Look
I
at
like
this
to
guys.
work in glasses portions also. This is my
It is. It's really seems like glasses, huh? बहुत अच्छा है, मतलब it is very beautiful. सभी के लिए. हाँ, so why
This
don't
is my next painting.
it's next painting. Photography
Yeah,
based art.
photography based. I click picture on a white surface,
White surface.
put 3 glass object
With shadow as well.
shadows.
हाँ.
तो ये बहुत ही न्यूट्रल हो जाए, तो सो बैलेंस करने के लिए मैंने ऊपर और नीचे ड्रेपरी को यूज़ किया है, ताकि ये न्यूट्रल के साथ साथ थोड़ा सा कलर कॉम्बिनेशन आए और वो बाउंस करके उठे, क्योंकि बहुत ज़्यादा न्यूट्रल चीज़ भी वो पॉप नहीं हो पा रहा है।
मतलब you are compromising that area that ki it is around here. Okay. हाँ, top view for glass, top view for this one, and I think 45 degree for this one. No, you can say that.
ये जैसे ड्रेपिंग हो गया और ये टॉप व्यू से फोटो क्लिक किया और ये ग्लास है, दिस इज नॉट विजिबल लाइक अ ग्लास, बट व्हेन यू सी शैडो.
Okay, sorry, I was got mistaken. Okay, so this one is glass, but actually the shadow is here, so you can see that ki the glass is over here. It's a top view painting, and what medium actually it is?
ऑयल पेंटिंग.
Oil painting on a canvas.
Yeah.
Okay.
जब
So
तक आप इसे सामने से देखोगे तो इट्स नॉट लुक लाइक अ ग्लास.
when you see at the shadow,
then
then
you
it
define that
will.
it is a top view and it's created something a mystery like कि just न्यूट्रल के साथ मिस्ट्री भी है कि वो ग्लास है, और ऊपर और नीचे ड्रेपरी भी मैंने क्रिएट करने की कोशिश की कि थोड़ा सा पॉप अप होके और वो कॉम्बिनेशन के साथ. और जैसे मैंने बताया मुझे ग्लासेस पेंट करना बहुत पसंद
तो ये
है.
ग्लासेस आप पेंट करने के लिए ये कैसे आप ग्लास कैसे शो करती हैं, मतलब हाउ टू?
जैसे बेस मैंने क्रिएट किया,
हाँ.
फिर उसके ऊपर ग्लास को बनाया, फिर शैडो को बनाया.
वाइट के ऊपर वाइट ग्लास शो करना इज डिफिकल्ट है.
वेरी डिफिकल्ट, टू मच डिफिकल्ट. इसे मुझे बनाने में बहुत ही टाइम लगा था. मोस्टली दिस पोर्शन यू कैन सी द बबल्स आर लुक लाइक अ रियल.
हाँ, एग्जैक्टली. ग्लास इज एक्चुअली रियल.
एवरीवन सी दैट कि दिस इज रियल ड्रेपरी आई पुट.
From outside, huh?
Yeah.
So how long you take to
Time.
paint this?
Approx 30 days.
30 days for this one.
Yeah.
Okay, and this
This
one?
is I think 25 days.
25 days.
20
Similar.
days.
Averagely, it is around 15 to 30 days, na?
Yeah.
And what about this one?
It is approx 25 days.
25 days.
Yeah,
Okay.
these two works are also mine.
Two works are
This
also
is a spatula.
spatula.
On acrylic medium on canvas.
Acrylic medium canvas. Okay.
Yeah.
And you used knife and all to
yeah,
present
knife.
that. Okay.
समथिंग डार्क में और लाइट को पॉप करने के लिए मुझे जो वो
मतलब
लाइट निकल के आता है ना कलर,
blurry picture that present the roadside market as well as society and the nature
नेचर
with the I think it's a night view, right?
Yeah,
night view.
इट्स अ नाइट व्यू, बट लाइट से इसमें रिप्रेजेंट हो रही है ना, तो वो मुझे लाइट से कनेक्शन होती है ना, जो वो येलोज लाइट मुझे बहुत पसंद है.
Okay, that's why you highlighted that thing.
Yeah.
Okay, what about this one?
This is also still life.
Still life.
Oil medium. And I try to create
A realistic copper medium.
realistic copper.
Okay. Don't worry. So, my viewers want to know about your Instagram ID and your work. So, why don't you tell everyone?
This is my Instagram ID, Shruti.
Shruti Gupta. Okay. This name is
You can see Shruti Galley. SHRUTI.GALLERY.
okay. So here we are with Shruti Gupta, and this is WhatsApp number, Instagram ID, and then email ID. So if you want to go with Shruti ma'am, then must contact. So
और मैं ऑनलाइन क्लासेस भी लेती हूँ सारे मीडियम्स के, फ्रॉम बेसिक टू एडवांस. जितनी भी मैंने डिटेलिंग्स पेंटिंग में की है सारी डिटेलिंग्स में सिखाती हूँ. यू कैन कॉन्टेक्ट मी ऑन माई व्हाट्सअप एंड इंस्टाग्राम.
okay, thank you so much ma'am. Family, this is here. We are with Shruti ma'am, and अभी मैम ने जो वीडियो में जो भी बताया है, go with that thing, whatever be the workshop you wanted to join, and must see the hard work that she had done, and it is very interesting to learn from her, and obviously
You can contact me on WhatsApp and Instagram.
okay,
Thank you.
thank you ma'am, thank you so much.